screen page number. And if they want to go to 3, put in the 3, go to page 3. Actually, you only have probably just one page number. But that would be a good quick way. If you've got a 10-page document printed out and there's only just one little glitch on page 5, you can just go to page 5, make that change, and just print out page 5. That's the advantage of word processing. Okay, but how about beginning and ending blocks? So they can overcopy them. Tell us a little about beginning and ending blocks right from our manual here. Move our cursor to a certain word or phrase that we want to move around. Move our cursor to the beginning of that. How do we say this is the beginning of the block? And then what? It has a control letter and then a regular letter. That's the control B, and then for beginning, you got B, and then you go to the end, and then what? Okay. Go B and E for end. Okay. Then we move our cursor. We got a block defined on the screen. Then we can do a whole bunch of things with it. We can move it, copy it, or delete it. And then move your cursor around to wherever you want it to go. And then what do we hit to move the block? And press these two. Press the control B. And that'll give us choices for the second letter. And the second letter is what? We're moving. Okay. Got that? See where it says move on there? So WordStar has made a good effort to make them easy to remember. Say block and M for move. So take your phrase or your word and move it immediately to that area. The next one, search or replace. That's nice, but it's probably not all that essential. But to do that, what do you do? Okay. Where do you have to have the cursor when you're starting applying? If you're doing a forward search. Yeah, you want to start at the top because it's going to search downwards. If you just did a search and try to search more, it's going to try to go down more, and there isn't any more down, so you have to be sure to take it back up to the top. Learn that was Control C, and then B for beginning of file. Pretty good. How about saving and exiting out of this? How do you do that? We've got the document the way we want it on the screen, and we're ready to get out of it. To do every what? Yeah, 10, 15 minutes. Great. And abandon changes, that would be if we made a whole bunch of changes, say, geez, there's a better way just before I start fussing with it. Abandon out. Abandon shift. Okay. And then the last one is printing. What? That'll give me a whole bunch of options for printing. Okay, let's do it. Just do an exit out of WordStar. And how many people are going to be dealing with WordPerfect? Hopefully. Okay. That's worth touching on. takes you back to where? We're out working around WordStar, and we exit out. Where do we exit to? DOS. Yep. Like ground level foundation for all different software the rest of them stand on. Okay, this is the same type of arrangement, same deal. You put it in the A drive. After you exit with quit command, quit out of WordStar, back down to DOS. Now we're going to turn this IBM computer from a WordStar word processor into a WordPerfect word processor. The machine's going to stay the same, the keys are going to stay the same, except they're going to use the keys differently. The company that made WordPerfect, satellite software company in Utah, has a different idea of how to make the word processor. You can just do it directly from A, refresh your memory of what is on that disk. A bunch of WP file. And the command to start WordPerfect is what? WD. Okay. I'm trying to think if they have a word start. Word processor begin with WC. Or do Q for quit. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, we had done that. Yeah.
Delayed reaction. Okay, yeah, put the date in there. Okay, WordStar was a menu-driven program. It gave you choices to choose from. WordPerfect is a command-driven program. You sort of have to memorize a lot of commands. You see, there's not a lot of help on here. There's doc 1, plug 1, line 1, position 11. There's not too much help. But if you do need help, you press what? Yeah, they should have put it F1 because that's the easiest key to remember. But they have to make it F3. And F3 will put you into a help mode, takes you out of your document temporarily into a mode where you're getting help. Go ahead and press F3. And you press the first letter. So here we can start to explore some fancy advanced options. Let's say, sorry, your boss, whoever, the admiral comes down and says, all right, I want you to put footnotes on these. Footnotes. Say, no problem. Just press F. And go ahead, everybody press F. What this is saying is you press the first letter of what you want, or you can press the functions, the key combination, like Shift F8 or Shift F2 or Control F5. To get information about that specific command. Okay, press the F, and what is the command for the key combination for footnoting? Control F7. Okay, so Control F7. Okay. And that should tell you a bit about how to do footnotes. You can create footnotes, you can edit footnotes, you can change them. Or put different numbers on footnotes. There are a bunch of different options on footnotes where you want it to appear, how many lines after the text you want it to appear. And you can also do endnotes. It's different between an endnote and a footnote. Yep, very good. Okay. And to get out of help, back into the document, what do we do? Yeah, spacebar or the return. Take you on. Now, if it's giving you help on whatever key you press, this tells us we can't get help on the return key grip, or if you need help on the space key, wrap it up. We're special word processors here. They don't need help on those. Okay, the insert key after that does a pretty similar thing to word start. Toggles between the overstriking mode and the insert mode. One way, if there was a big line of people, it would shove people in the middle of the two. Overstrike mode would be took one out to display. So example, overstrike versus insert mode. And you can tell when you're in the type over mode when you're in the insert mode. Press the INS key. It's at the bottom left. It'll say in big letters there, type over. Okay. And some people see that for the first time and think, yeah, I think it means telling you to type a letter over here. This means overstrike. Okay. And the delete key works the exact same way. Jerry told us about for word start. Delete key, tag man that way, backspace key, tag man that way. Tabbing's pretty basic, same thing for all the different word processors. The only thing is WordStar gave us the Control I is another option for tabbing. And you can block indent things. Just retrieve a file. To do that, when you get into the directory, do an F5, one at the top. It'll ask us what directory we want to take a directory of. Keep the directory of A and then just acknowledge that and say, okay, directory of A is fine. Press return. And it'll take a few seconds for it to get it all lined up for you and alphabetize for you. Yeah, if you press return too many times, it'll go back to the document. So start again. That's one thing. Works perfect. On these type of things, it may work a little slow, so you may get kind of antsy and press return too many times. End up back in the document again. Yeah, just highlight the file you want, and highlight that preview file. And it gives you a choice of all different things. Retrieve it. It'll take it from the disk, put it into the internal memory computer, the part where the computer does all the work on your document. Or you can delete it, take it out, rename it, or print it, and text in as if you have a non-WordPerfect file. Say it might be a chart that was made using the Lotus 123 program, or it might be text from maybe another word processor, which is in a certain form which could be interpreted to WordPerfect. You can use the text in the computer. But for retrieved text, regular WordPerfect type text, you use number what? Yep. Go ahead. Do the one. Use the one along the top because now we're using the keypad. The keypad numbers are going to be arrow numbers all the time. Okay. And here it is. So let's go down to page 2. Do that. Just use page down key. Regular down there. Do the PEDN. Okay. Put our cursor on the first word of this, where it says the system automatically wraps to the next line. This is something that most every word processor does. You do not need to press the enter, prepared to turn, or new line key. Just keep typing until you come to the end. Okay. Well, here we can try do a regular tab and do a cursor down. Cursor down is to reform the paragraph. Get it in line. Keep moving the cursor right down, downward. You can take that out with just keep doing the down arrow. Okay, yeah, until you're past the paragraph. Move up to this line again and do the F4. Cursor at the beginning here.